I had bought this yesterday. It's only 4 soaps. I would have thought they had their own special box for it, but it came in a different box. I think because I have other soaps too, so they probably put it like in one box. But yeah, so I have the Pine Tart. This is a separate soap that I had bought. The Pine Tart, right? This is one of like the best ones. Soaps. That one. I usually buy 2. When it comes, no, not that. I usually buy 2 of those. Yeah, the other one is here. Tart. Fresh Falls. Yeah, that I used that yesterday. So really, really good soap, man. These type of soaps are very organic, you know, no harsh chemicals. And I feel like a lot of people don't know, like, especially with Old Spice and, you know, Axe, those type of deodorants are very harmful. People don't realize that. If you look it up, they're very harmful. So I advise you to stop using that, I'm gonna be honest. Cool Free Alert. Oh, Cool Fresh, I'm sorry. Cool Fresh. Yeah. That, about 2 of those. And then, yeah, okay, so that, and then we have the Mars bar. This is part of the Space Galaxy bundle, right? Mars bar. Right. Then we have the Moon Rock. It's probably the best one so far. The Moon Rock. Okay. Area 51 brick with 2 C's. Area 51. Okay. No, this must be the last one. Black Hole. Not bad. Yeah, this is the Cool. Yeah, Cool Fresh, same one. So that's pretty much it. If you want your own copy, I'll definitely put it in the description box. This is probably like the best soap for men. A lot of people use the Axe and Old Spice, and I know there's other more, but I can't think of. But those like the most harmful ones that I heard. And once I got Dr. Squatch, I was like, I stopped using Axe. I stopped using Old Spice. So, and this type of soap is very smooth, and it makes your skin moisturized, you know what I'm saying? It makes sure that your skin is not dry, you know what I'm saying? So, I highly recommend you guys use Dr. Squatch. So, yeah, if you want your own copy, I'll definitely put it in the description box below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.